Agents can do a lot in their dashboards. Clicking here on the side, you can see there's 3 dashboards: the agent dashboard, the overall task dashboard, and the calendar. The agent dashboard here you can set up with really whatever widgets you want on here. Right now there's 3. You could go in here and add the high priority tasks, total sales, recent commissions, current sales, automated email tracking. Just hit save, and then if you need to blow them up, make them bigger, you can do that. You can move them around, and you can scoot them like this. So it's really neat to be able to have all of this in one view. You can also just go to the overall task dashboard, and here right now, again, you can manage what you want to see, but the high priority tasks, that's usually what most agents would look at first. Nothing past due, nothing due today, what's due in 2 weeks. Let's see by clicking on it. You can also make that bigger, full screen. Looks like we've got a deposit due coming up on the 12th and a final payment on the 21st. You can go to the reservation by clicking here. If it's a task that you no longer need, you could delete it from the screen, or you could actually check it off. So it works well for agents that say want to make one phone call, they want to call a supplier, maybe go through a list of tasks that they have for that day, get them done, and check them off on one screen. Also the calendar view, that's really nice because you can see everything by month. Again, if you want to change those settings, see what's displayed to you right there. You can see again easily deposit coming up due on the 12th, a final payment due on the 21st, and this agent has birthdays set up for viewing, and so we've got this birthday that's taking place on the 25th. If you do click on them, you can also view a little bit about the reservation. Again, you can go to the reservation here, or if it is a task, you can mark it as completed. So really nice to have everything in one view like that on these dashboards.